Hello and welcome back to WordPress Security Mastery. And today I'm going to talk about improving the security of your WordPress site by changing the database table prefix. So by default, the table prefix is WP underscore. And as mentioned in previous videos, hackers exploit default settings, and this is actually one of them. So to change the table prefix the easy way, you will need a plugin. So let's go ahead and install that plugin. So on your WordPress dashboard, go ahead and click on plugins and then go ahead and click on add new. Then from here, let's search for a plugin. Let's go ahead look for change database prefix. So this is the name. So this actually changed DB prefix by this developer right here. This is the one that you want to install. So go ahead, click on install now. And then after that, click on activate plugin. And then once it is active, go to settings and then go to change DB prefix. Now on this page it says change DB prefix. You'll see the existing prefix, and by default the existing or the default prefix is WP underscore, and then here you will enter the new prefix. So enter a prefix that you want. It is advised that you do this, and then after doing so click on save changes. So that is how you change the database prefix of your WordPress site so as to improve the overall security of your WordPress site. And that is all for today. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.